Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about the Vrindavan Garden, Mysore, Karnataka. Vrindavan Garden, Mysore, Karnataka. Vrindavanam means a place of eternal bliss. It is supposed to be the advanced version of Tapovanam. It is the natural abode where sages are believed to have refreshed their physical body and attained radiant body and eternal ecstasy. The Vrindavan Garden are located in the Taluka Srirangapatna of Mindya district of Karnataka, India. It lies adjoining to the Krishna Raja Sagar Dam, which is built across the river Kaveri. It is located about 12 kilometers towards the northwest of the Mysore city. It is spread across an area of 60 acres. History of Vrindavan Garden. Primarily, Vrindavan Garden, that is a terrace garden, have been built in the complex of KRC Dam. The creation of this garden begins in the year of 1927 when the Department of Horticulture started the work. It is said that the work was completed in 1932. It was the idea of Sir Mirza Ismail, the Diwan of Mysore state, to beautify the area around the Krishna Raja Sagar Dam. This dam, named after Krishna Raja Wadiyar IV, has been built over Kaveri River, which is the one of the prominent rivers of South India. Vrindavan Garden have been designed by seeking inspiration from Shalimar Garden of Kashmir, which have been created in the ancient Mughal style. Hence, it also radiates the beauty array of fountains, terraces, water channels, parterres, lawns, and flower beds, etc. The dam site is now being maintained by the Public Work Department, Irrigation Department, the Police Department, and the Karnataka State Tourism Development Corporation. Layout of Vrindavan Garden. Vrindavan Garden offering an extrinsic beauty dotted with innumerable fountains and captivating illuminations. These terrace gardens are sure to allure every visitor. Vrindavan Garden are divided into various parts: the main gate area, South Vrindavan, North Vrindavan, and Children's Garden. The main gate area. The main gate area is inspired by the India Gate of New Delhi, presenting an admirable, imposing structure. On both the sides of main gate, there is a rose garden. The magnificent structure of main gate with the beauty of rose garden presents a perfect entrance to the garden. The lawns, flower beds, hedgerows have also been maintained stunningly. South Vrindavan. South Vrindavan is the area near the Kaveri statue. The ground in the front of this statue is the Kaveri Amma circle, which boasts of magnificent huge water fountains. Even terrace garden of different styles can be spotted from here. On the slopes of the terrace, you can see bougainvillea and almenda plants, while the lawn in the terrace garden has flower beds and pattern hedges, and in the center you can see cypress plants. Various fountains and dwarf plants can also be found on the terrace garden. In the night, these fountains are illuminated. South Vrindavan also has a glass house that consists of various ornamental plants, which are used in the garden. These plants are also available for sale. Children's Park. Just beside the South Vrindavan, there is a children's park, which is located towards its right. The park is an place for kids to play and enjoy, with its slides, concrete animals, birds, etc., and various other items. North Vrindavan. North Vrindavan. It is the most attractive area of the garden, as it comprises of 4 vast terrace gardens, with each terrace garden offering a breathtaking view of lush green lawns, flourishing flower beds, decorative hedges, and ornamental trees. What makes this garden more attractive are the various fountains, illuminated with colorful lights. There is also a nursery of ornamental plants. Highlights of Vrindavan Garden, Mysore. Boat rides. A visit to Vrindavan Garden becomes even more enjoyable with the boat rides. River Kaveri between North Vrindavan and South Vrindavan facilitates for boating, offered by the Karnataka State Tourism Development Corporation. North Vrindavan and South Vrindavan are connected by boating and along with the walking bridge. Boating on the serene water of river increases the beauty of Vrindavan garden and makes Mysore trip memorable. Another popular feature of Vrindavan garden are the musical fountains. The fountains are maintained by the water pressure from the dam and are operated through a controller. The musical fountain show presents a harmonized water dance accompanied by colorful lights and music. For visitors, a rain shelter and gallery has been built. This show organized at the North Vrindavan region. These are the some pics of Vrindavan Garden, Mysore. The Vrindavan Garden is considered one of the best garden in India. The garden not only been meticulously laid out and has beautiful lawn and shrubs, but the garden is famous mainly for its illuminated running water and innumerable fountains decorated by colored lights. In the evening, when all the fountains and running water starts working and are illuminated with changing color of lights, the whole place looks like a paradise. The main attraction of this park is the musical fountain, in which movement of water is synchronized to the music of songs. Other attraction of the gardens are open spaces under lawn and illuminated flower beds. The garden, which contains water fountains, ficus trees, foliage plants such as Duranta and Euphorbia, and flowering plants like Calosia, marigold, and bougainvillea. The garden also has topiary works, pergolas, etc. The garden is a public park and not meant for research. The area around KRC Dam. In the area around KRC Dam, along with Vrindavan Gardens, Department of Horticulture maintains few other gardens as well, such as Government Fruit Orchid, which is spread over an area of 75 acres, Nagubina Horticulture Farm, over 30 acres of area, and 5 acres of Chandravana Horticulture Farm. Cacti and succulent gardens is also worth watching. Tips for visit Vrindavan Garden, Mysore. The opening time of Vrindavan Garden, Mysore is 6 am to 8 pm throughout the week, while on weekend it is from 6 am to 9 pm. Musical fountain show is organized in the north section of the garden every day at 6:30 pm to 7:30 pm. Entry fee in the garden is about 50 rupees per adult and 5 rupees per children between the age of 5 to 10. Visit duration 2 to 3 hours. Videography is prohibited here and a fine of 50 rupees is charged for any unauthorized use of camera. How to reach Vrindavan Garden? The Vrindavan Garden and surrounding complexes are must visit when exploring Karnataka. By road, the Vrindavan Garden are just a short drive of around 20 kilometers from Mysore city. There are many public transport options like buses, or you can hire a cab or rented car. By rail, Mysore railway station is the closest railhead to Vrindavan Garden and it makes half an hour drive to complete 18-kilometer distance. By air, for those flying into Mysore airport, the Vrindavan Garden are 33 kilometer away, a short 50-minute trip on the ring road. So this is all about Vrindavan Garden. Hope in the future you will plan to trip the Vrindavan Garden.